What's up, y'all? Well, I got me a box. I guess you can tell what's in there. Let's get her open. Been waiting on this for 3 or 4 days now. Kind of worried I wasn't going to get it because of all the tornadoes down in Alabama. Ooh. Focus. So I'm going to get it open. Bam. Hold on, commercial break. This thing weighs 9 pounds without the motor or the wheels on it. So there's a hint. I had to like this open. It's gonna be the worst unboxing ever. I want to cut too deep. Now, finally got it open. Take a look, see, probably got it upside down. Oh, there's a hint. Not gonna happen. Right there. TRF801xt Truggy kit. 1/8 scale. Alright, I'm gonna have to set y'all down one more time. Oh man, this thing's heavy. Ooh. That's what's on the side. Aluminum chassis. 17mm wheel hexes. There she is. But I'm not going nitro. I'm getting electric conversion. So I can get it one-handed. I don't think so. Alright. Now, here's the shell. There's the A-arms. Oh, that's the part trees. Shock parts. Looks like the receiver box. Other parts trees. There's the shell. Have to do some cutting, painting, which I hate to do. I think I might send it off to Pit Dog Hydro. There's the gas tank. Won't be using that. The wing. At least I don't have to cut that out. Holy. There's some silicone diff oil. Just parts, I don't know what all it is. Air filter, won't be using that. Some more oil. I think that's shock oil. There's some Loctite. We'll crack it open. Take a back look here in a second. Another parts tree. I think that's to mount the wing. side skirts. There's the aluminum chassis. I guess it's aluminum. Window masks. Some kind of silver tape. And all the decals. Let's get that bag open and take a closer look. Alright, got her open. Here's, looks like a diff, fuel line. It's got some weight to it, I'll tell you that. There's some dog bones and I don't know what else is in there. There's a slipper clutch, bevel gears, spur gear. There's the servo mounts, shocks, here's drive shafts, shock towers, sway bars, and some here. Empty that out. That I won't be needing. There is Loctite, I think. I have no idea what that is. Shock oil, soft. Some more. Diff oil. I have no idea what that is. Looks like something for a nitro motor. Got some grease, zip ties, Allen keys, and a tire wrench. But there it is. Friday I'll place an order to Monster RC for a electric conversion kit. I might try to put a Mumbo Monster in here if I can afford it. Definitely going 6S on this. And the tires are coming in tomorrow if we don't have no more tornadoes. But I'll get to putting it together and we'll see what she looks like.